night?
Oh, yeah, I went with my friend.
It's late night, very bad for your health, you know. Take this essence of chicken, and tomorrow we go for lunch.
Yeah.
And every Monday, have your bird's nest. Wow, Ryan, you're so fast. I'm not ready yet. Give me a few minutes. Where are you going?
I'm going with my friend.
I thought we have made an appointment to go for lunch today.
No, I told my friend long time ago already.
So disappointing.
Next time I go with you.
I remember the days I used to spend with Ryan, push him around, bringing him out. I miss those days. I had so much fun with Ryan. Now he hardly has time for me. I'm just wondering, he still think of me or not? Baby elephant, you remind me of Ryan. Every night I hug you, thinking of those days when you're young.
Mama, I need my charger. Mama?
Ryan, I am bringing Mama to the hospital. Come down now. She wanted me to tell you she loves you very much.